What's going on, YouTube? Got another episode here of Dive Addiction. So we're getting ready to put a P valve into a dry suit. Now I've already put my undergarments on and marked on my dry suit exactly where I wanted my P valve. It's right where I want it. It's a good length, so I can reach and everything. So we're getting ready to do the painful part. Oh man, you have no idea how much this pains me to cut a hole in a perfectly good dry suit. Order your dry suit with a P valve in it. It costs $100 more, but at least you don't have to feel that pain I just felt right there. Oh, oh, this pains me so much. You have no idea. Here and protect the rest of my suit from my scissors. Okay, so try not to chop at your suit while you're doing this. Try and get a good, long, continuous cut. What I'm trying to do is cut off just enough of this so that when I slide the P valve in, it doesn't hang up on these threads. Okay, so if it's hanging up on these threads, it's too tight. And right now, that's actually about perfect. Got a little extra slack in it. Okay, so this hole's a little bit big, but it should be okay. It pretty much lays flat. It's not binding up on it at all. So I should be able to put this down around it. Cinch that down. Shouldn't leak. Now, if this leaks, my next step is to put Aqua-Seal on the inside of this valve, and if it still leaks after that, I'll take this back off and I'll put RTV on this. I really don't want to get RTV on the outside of my suit, but hang with me. We're gonna go and get this suit blown up with me inside of it and see if it holds air. So, get right back with you. Now we've got the P valve installed. I've got it tightened down. It's right here on the inside of my thigh. It's not sticking straight out. It's not sticking straight into the middle. It's sticking out at an angle this way. So I got it right where I want it. Now we're going to see how this does. We're going to hook my inflator up. We're going to inflate this off of the tank. It's home all poofy. Oh, it helps to shut your shoulder dump valve so that you're not losing all that sweet air out of there. All right. Getting over pressurized. Now I'm going to have my old lady spray me with some soapy water on my leg in the area of the thing. And then we'll know if I need to put anything on it or if it's good with nothing there. Just leave it. You'll see a stream of bubbles come out. And that's how you install a P-valve. So it's not leaking out of there. Now, when I crack this open, it plays musical notes. I don't know if the camera's picking that up or not, but that's because this is a balanced P-valve. If this wasn't a balanced P-valve, it wouldn't do that. But since it's a balanced P-valve, when you crack that open, it will do that. Without it cracked open, it don't make no noise at all. I can't really tell. It doesn't look like it's building any new bubbles.
I think it's just where it freezes right there.
Yeah. So, that's how you put a P-valve into a dry suit. I feel like bagpipes in Ireland or Scotland right now. Alright guys, so there you got it. We got the P-valve installed in the suit. Now, to go ahead and give this thing a crank on down so it doesn't come off while we're diving and lose it in the water, because that'd be bad. So you just get this finger tight. You don't have to get it extra tight. And that's it. Boom. You got a P-valve and a DUI Cortez. So again, thanks for watching the videos. And please like, share, comment, subscribe, share it with your friends. And start peeing in your dry suit. Or out of your dry suit. So yeah. Appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you give this big video a big thumbs up. And I'll see you guys on the next one. I'll keep that good content coming and keep coming up with stuff like how to put a P-valve in any dry suit or a DUI Cortez. Doesn't matter, but it's a great dry suit. If you're looking for a budget-friendly dry suit, this one's not this one's a pretty friendly budget dry suit. So make sure you check out my DUI Cortez review, and I'll actually be coming out with another one after the 1-year review to this suit once I hit 1 year on it. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Have a good one.